Why are personal injury cases involving a drunk driver worth more? Hi, I'm Neal Schulwolf, a trial attorney with the law firm of Kalfus and Nachman. I've been practicing for over 30 years here in the state and federal courts of Virginia. At Kalfus and Nachman, we want to discourage drunk driving. The law in Virginia gives us a mechanism to do that. It's called punitive damages. Punitive damages are to punish the defendant for his wrongful actions. In Virginia, you can seek punitive damages against the defendant who was driven drunk and caused your crash in two situations. One, did the defendant wrongfully refuse to take a breathalyzer test? Number two, is the defendant's blood alcohol content above 0.15? If either of those situations are present, we can help you punish the defendant for driving drunk on the roads here in Virginia by seeking punitive damages in addition to the compensatory damages of your pain and suffering that you will receive in this particular case. Let me share an example with you. Several years ago, I had the pleasure of representing a VDOT worker who was assisting a vehicle that was disabled on Interstate 64 here in Tidewater. Unbeknownst to our client, a drunk driver smashed into the back of his VDOT vehicle, which was assisting that other driver. He was taken by ambulance to the hospital. He came to our firm for help. We contacted the police and found out that he had been struck by a drunk driver. The drunk driver's blood alcohol content was 0.22. We pursued that claim against the drunk driver and were able to compensate our client for his medical bills and pain and suffering. But more importantly, we're able to get him compensation for punitive damage to punish that defendant for the actions and wrong choices that defendant made that night by driving drunk on Interstate 64. So why am I telling you this information? Because we want to punish people who drive drunk on the roads of our Commonwealth here in Virginia. If you have been injured by a drunk call me at 888-487-8546 and I can answer your questions as to how we can help you pursue your claim against a drunk driver. I'm Neal Schulwolf with the law firm of Kalfus and Nachman. Thank you for watching.